Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. As you know, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in general, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Try to bring you something a little bit new every day. Now today I want to talk about investing. Of course, we got the CPI numbers coming out on Wednesday. We got the GDP numbers coming out on Thursday. Looked at the market today. It was pretty red. Didn't see anything that I really wanted to take a trade in. So I just sort of sit back, out driving today on a little bit of a road trip. So just relaxing, taking it easy. But I wanted to talk about investing, and I wanted to talk about the so-called investors out there that want to bash people for day trading. They say day trading isn't investing. Well, the definition of investing is putting your money to work and having it return a gain to you. So if you're day trading and you're doing it correctly and you're creating profit, then you are to investing. Now, I don't recommend just day trading and not investing in anything long-term or having any long-term growth in your portfolio, because that's a recipe for disaster. Because the statistics are stacked against you. Less than 1% of day traders are successful over a long-term period. And I don't think any of us want to turn this money-making machine that I'm using as day trading into being a job that you're going to do for the next 40 years. The idea of day trading is to get a really great return and pump that portfolio up to fast track yourself along so that you can have a bigger portfolio and have more money invested in a shorter period of time. And if you do that correctly, you can really help yourself out, and you can shave years off the process of getting yourself to a large enough portfolio to really help. And that's what I'm on here for. I'm on here to help you to be successful in investing in general. You know, we talk about long-term investments. I'm all for dollar cost averaging in if you're just getting started. Dollar cost average into some great stocks and start building a portfolio. But especially if you're just starting with not a whole lot of money and you want to get enough to actually be able to invest, I'm all for day trading it. If you do it correctly, there's a lot of money to be made. I've been on this channel now for about 6 weeks, and you've seen week after week after week the returns we've been putting out. It's not some sort of trick. You've been seeing me come on here every day, every morning, talk about what I'm buying, what levels, every afternoon what I've sold, how it profited me. So I mean, it can be done, and it's not that difficult to do. You just have to be willing to put in the work and pay attention to what you're doing. And again, how I trade is important. So many people out there that day trade, they do it completely wrong. They do it one or two ways. They go all in on a stock, a single stock, one bid, and then it goes down and it crushes them. Or the traditional wisdom is that you go in about 2% on a stock, you use 2% of your overall portfolio, and you diversify that out over 10, 15, 20 stocks. Okay, well, unless you have a very large portfolio, it doesn't give you enough skin in the game, even if you hit all those stocks to do well. You know, as I've said before, I break my portfolio into 10 portions. And I buy 2 to 3 different stocks a day and allow myself the ability to be able to average down on them. If they come down, I can average down and increase my position to allow me to be able to make money if it just recovers to where I originally bought it. Now that allows me enough skin in the game to be able to, when I get a good hit, to make a good large amount of money. And that's what I'm here to teach you. That's what I'm here to help you out with, is to Do it correctly. Pay attention. Don't get stomped out by all the noise of people telling you can't do it, or that you shouldn't do it, or you're just throwing your life away because you want more. Okay? You got to stand up for what you want. You have to have a reason for why you're going for it, and you got to see the process through. And I'm going to be on here to help you with it. Be sure, if there's anyone out there that you know that could use this information, share this video. Help me get it out to as many people as possible. And until next time, remember, be blessed. Never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.